baseless.
Meanwhile, former Mawrie'S legislator Himalaya Muktan Champiang, who resigned from the BJP on September 6, has cited State President Ernest Mawrie'S organizational approach and working style as a reason to leave the party. Informing this, Cabinet Minister A.L. Haq said that Champiang in his statement alleged that Mawrie was non-cooperative with members. Notably, it was speculated that Champiang will quit the BJP for the National People's Party (NPP). Sources said that he was keen to contest the 2024 Lok Sabha polls on an NPP ticket.
He is one of the leaders of the BJP. In meeting with me in my chamber, he said that he's going to resign tomorrow. So today he has resigned. So I said, what the reason that you want to resign from the BJP? So the main reason is that is the style functioning of the state president, Mr. Ernest Mawrie. That was the main reason. For general view also, it is similar to him only. Everybody accusing the same views, that the style and the functioning of the state president, which is non-cooperative with all the members.
BJP